Okay guys, I'm super excited to announce the thing I've been working on for the past day. Looks like it's finally working. I hope. I added some really cool stuff here. So we have Whispo. This was previously something that could just take in text like, actually, yeah, like through voice. So everything I'm saying now, you can see up the top we got little bars that pick up my voice and it'll just transcribe everything. So I'm gonna let go, and there we go. Let's turn on word wrap here, and then literally everything I said is on that VS Code thing now. Now I've added a new button keybind. So instead of hold control for transcribe, we now have the ability to do MCP tool calling with Control Alt. And we have like, I've only got one MCP here, but look how good this UI is, guys. I one-shot a feature that I wanted all these tools to have, like even augment, cursor. I think cursor might have it, or like one of these tools have it. And that is not just to add MCP servers, but to go inside and turn off individual tools inside the MCP tool server like that. So let's say we only want list directory. Let's turn off everything else. Well, I don't know, we'll keep some up. And then now let's try this. I haven't tried this properly, but list directory. And now this should call the list directory. Boom. There you go. Listing the allowed directory. So this is what we're in, this directory. Now let's try create a file or something, write file. Let's go write file, a new file called helloworld.txt, and inside it say, this is the best MCP voice tool in the world. And this will take a while, looks like it didn't submit. Successfully wrote to helloworld.txt. So can we like view the file info? Get detailed metadata about read file. Read the complete context of a file. Let's see if this works. Read the file helloworld.txt. Oh my god, this is the best MCP in the world, guys. This is actually crazy. I'm so happy this worked. Dude, guys, you have to watch the first minute of this. It's a demo. And it's so good. Dude, I'm so happy with that. All right, so yeah, this is the new project I'm working on because I think it's just so cool. So I've forked Whispo, but in true cursor fashion, we're going to change the name and we're going to bundle it and sell it to the normies. I'm going to still keep it open source, unlike cursor, but we're changing the name from Whispo to, can we change the name? I think we can. Changing the name to, oh, we can. We're gonna call it Podium. Podium AI. Does anyone have that? Podium AI. Okay, there is this. What about Podium Voice? Podium dash voice. I don't know about Podium Voice. Okay, Podium Voice is one. I would like a smaller word. Spoon Voice? Gary says spoon. Alright, I think we're gonna have to brainstorm with AI to find a better name. Wispo, we're gonna, oh yeah, it's gonna take a while to rename it and all. Also, I think we have to look at the license and shit on the Wispo license. APGL, the fuck is that? Copy left. User freedom. Can I go commercial with this? Open source, commercial, yes. Commercial use, nice. All right, okay. We're gonna say, come up with like 50 words related to voice, speech, and AI combined, bonus points, but primarily just voice. All right, let's see like what Gemini will come up with here. It's like it's finally working. I added some really cool stuff. Take it, it's got little bars that pick up my voice, and I'll just transcribe it. Yeah, like. Okay. All right. Whisper, shout. Oh, shout. Shout MCP. Dialogue, chant, pitch, tone, timbre, volume, cadence, inflection, intonation. Now we need pace, tone, larynx, vocal, silichord. These are good. Let's do 100 types of vocalization. That's kind of what we need, because it's like, if we keep to the whisper theme, that's kind of cool too. So like shout is a kind of like good, you know, opposite of whisper. Awaken ambience. Yo, Juan Jose. I'm doing well, man. I think I have a really cool piece of software on my hands. Speak MCP. I think we're gonna have to buy a domain here. We'll go search them on Namecheap. Speak MCP. Speak MCP. Okay. What about Shout MCP? Shout MCP too. How many letters is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they're both 5 letters. Okay. Talk MCP. Ooh, Talk MCP is taken. TalkMCP.com. $26,000. Whisper, sigh, coo. Coo. Yell. Yell. Yell MCP. Ooh, Yell MCP. That's pretty good. 4 letters. Plus 3. 7 letters. Call MCP. No, I don't want it to be call. Nag MCP. Gripe. Okay. Talk MCP is taken. Speak MCP or Yell MCP. I think Speak MCP is better. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. No one snipe it from me. Yo, Paul, what's up? Wisp MCP? Yes? Wisp MCP. That does keep. Hold on, is that? It's not a bad one, Juan. Wisp MCP. But it's not a word. I think I'm gonna do speak MCP. Just buying it off screen so I don't dox my payment method. Ah, it's taking so long. Okay, nice. I bought it. You bought Speak MCP. Alright, that's what we're renaming this. Speak MCP. Yeah, let's go. How do I save? Is that already saved? Rename. Nice. Speak MCP now. Alright, pulling the branch. Merging the branch. Wait, we already had a merge. Oh, this is trying to merge it into egoist main. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Close. I keep doing that accidentally. I'm trying to pull it in my own shit. Speak MCP. Okay. Pull request. Which one's 8? This one? I don't think it's this one. I think this is the one. Yeah. Yep. Oh, we can't move. Merge. Oh, only one conflict. This is fine. Just some imports here. This looks fine. Resolve. Commit merge. Are we gonna merge? Merge pull request. Alright. Shit, we got Speak MCP on main. This is sick. Yeah. You know, I want to add perplexity. Let's see how we can do that. Settings. Oh, this is main whisper. Let's try build this, okay? I want to try build the Mac build. This is a true test of whether we can sell this to normies. Is if we can build this on Mac. Let's see. Let me try. Let me try build it on Mac. This isn't even anything open. No. Wispo. Oh, it's still called Wispo in my home directory, which is expected. Let's see if we can check out main. Fix build issues and readme. I think we did fix the readme. Build issues. Let's see. Do we have build issues? We might not have build issues if we're lucky. Okay, looks like I don't have this in my recents. Pretty sure it's pnpm run build :mac. I've definitely done this before. Before I added the MCPs, I was able to build successfully. onto my Mac with the new features I had added before the MCP. Okay, I think we got the build. This is it. Wispo. It's still called Wispo. We haven't renamed any of the source code, but hopefully we now have a working Wispo Mac app natively built with MCP. I'm going to open it up here. Wispo. We're going to close this. We're going to go to settings. I don't think I did a git pull because that wasn't the one with, let's see, git pull. Yeah, that wasn't the MCP code, but that's just a fact that we could have built it successfully without the MCP. So potentially adding the MCP code makes the build not work, but I don't think so. We'll see what happens. Oh, and you're right. We'd actually have to change the README to mention all the MCP stuff. Do we actually do that? Well, feature smart shortcuts. No, we don't. Okay. We can do that with a remote agent. We've just renamed this project Speak MCP from Wispo MCP and added a lot of MCP functionality. We need to update the README and some other places to reflect this. Do analysis and make a plan for all the places to replace. All the places to replace. All of the smells you can smell. All right. All right. We spoke with MCP. Moment of truth. Tools. Yes. MCP. No. This is the wrong branch. What? No, I merged the wrong branch. Oh my god. How did I do that? We need to stop that. Stop that remote agent. Okay. That was the wrong branch that I merged. So we need to revert that merge. Is there an MCP that allows you to see the computer screen? Most definitely. I feel like you can do anything with an MCP server. Pretty much. But giving it permissions is, I don't know, maybe that could be an issue. the permissions to see your screen. But it's just like a process that can be running on your computer, and then you can technically do anything with that. All right, so this should be reverted here, because I actually wanted to merge this into main. Okay, we have one conflict. Build RS test. Oh yeah, definitely this one. Okay. All right. That was pretty easy. Git makes it pretty easy to roll back and merge as long as you don't divert too far. Let's try that again. I'm going to use warp this time because I don't want all the like VS Code UI. It's just too much. Okay. Hopefully this will have it. In the meantime, you know what we can do is create a landing page on Lovable. Before we do that, we'll go to Gemini and brainstorm. I really want Wispo. Help me brainstorm a prompt to build a really beautiful landing page and website for an app called Speak MCP. It enables you to use your voice on your computer to do anything you want with the power of MCP tools. Okay, that's a decentish starting prompt. Let's add grounding search. Wow, it even got Speak MCP the right spelling. Based on prototype, really beautiful landing page. I also want to say the hero section plays a full screen video on the first fold. Okay. And supposedly we have the new Wispo. Let's see. Let me try run it. The new Speak MCP. This is the first build of Speak MCP anyone's ever ran. Let's see. You know, I didn't have to install it. Hey. Settings. Tools. Yes, this is it. This is it. Use augmented to create a detailed overview of the app and give it to Gemini. Ooh, that's actually a good idea too. Gemini's giving me a prompt here. Make it smaller and more targeted to a software developer, a front-end developer. I think that's better. Okay, so we have file system MCP. What other? I want to add perplexity MCP. So, I actually have that in my augment config, and I don't want to wait. Actually, I have it in my clipboard as well. I don't want to dox it. Oh, what's the best website AI website maker? For me, in my experience, it has been Lovable on the visuals. I think V0, there's like some cases where V0 is better. Like for certain like niche React stuff, Next.js stuff, but just from a general Perspective lovable has been better. More concise, speak more about content, don't mention which technologies to use. Oh. Wait, hold up. Yo, sorry, I had people just come through. Where were we up to? Oh yes, we were both making a landing page, and I also want to add Perplexity MCP. Okay, I think this is a good enough prompt. Okay, this looks good. Okay, we got the landing page going. Yeah, Perplexity MCP. How do I add an MCP? Add server. Oh, it's like this. Okay, this is actually exactly how we can also import JSON files and export JSON files, which is pretty cool. But I'm gonna do this Perplexity MCP like this. Perplexity ask mpx y perplexity ask. This is a really annoying way of setting up the. Okay, I'm gonna enter my key here off screen. No, actually, you know what a cool, better way to hide my screen would just be like this. Oh, these don't work anymore. I set up these hotkeys. but they don't work. Okay. Well, I can also do this. Is it possible to create an MCP server by having an AI completely write the code for a program that enables making animations? I've never heard of that, but yeah, it sounds possible. Okay. Alright, I've tried to add the Perplexity MCP. Let's see if it'll connect. Oh, it connected. Nice. And we have that one tool. Perplexity Ask. Oh, this is so good. Let's try it. Search for the current price of Bitcoin with Perplexity MCP. Oh, I held the wrong key. Now the right key isn't working. Control and Alt. Control Alt. Find the price of Bitcoin with Perplexity Ask MCP. Unknown tool. Damn it. Okay. Well, that's potentially something we have to debug. Because I can definitely see the tool here. There's two of them, which is a bit interesting. Let me disable file system. Use Perplexity Ask to find price of Bitcoin. Nope. Okay. Well, it's weird. It keeps adding tools. Okay, that's a bug. We can debug that. Later, though. Oh, Lovable makes sounds now. We have our landing page. Your voice is the new command line. Control your entire digital workflow with the speed of thought. Oh yeah. Okay. This is a good start. Actually, I think we can do better. What if I just try a new one? apt dnf, what's up? All right. File system worked though. I think. Let's double check file system. List the files. Oh, wrong one. List the files in the directory. Oh, permissions are okay. Path outside electorate allowed directories. Interesting. It's trying to get the okay, some permission stuff to work through on that one too. I think I might debug the Perplexity one on a local build. But the fact that we can build the native app without errors is really good. Oh, I like this. I think I like this better. Yeah, I think I like this landing page better. Can I publish? Oh, we can publish this and then reroute the Cloudflare to it. How do we route again? Speak MCP. Oh no, I forgot where it was. It was called something else, like route forwarding through domain Cloudflare. Redirect rules. Yeah, redirect rules. Login to Cloudflare. Page rules. Rules. Page rules. Is that it? Speak MCP. And then when the settings are, I don't think this is what I did. Maybe we just use DNS settings actually. DNS. Yeah, this would work. Add a CNAME and route to the Lovable website. Okay. Nice. Does that work now? Oh. CNAME cross-user ban. You've requested a page on the website that is part of the Cloudflare network. Oh. Okay, I'll figure this out later. Or we'll just host something. Yeah. What can we do? I guess update the README and stuff. Just kick off some remote agents to fix that. Nice. Should I add a hero video? Is there anywhere to create Mid-Journey video for free? I think you need to pay. Alright, let's try some VO2. Is that VO? Yeah, VO2. Number of results, 2. It's pretty good. Let's have vibrant cell shaded animation of someone controlling their computer through their voice. There are, what do you call, like musical notes and sound waves coming from their voice to the computer. Let's see what that looks like. Package JSON, bespoke cargo, documentation, build files. Oh, this looks pretty good. Okay. Oh, what happened? Generation has been limited. Oh no. It didn't do it? Oh. Try again. Oh. It's weird because it says empty dialogue, but in the history. Cell shaded animation of human talking to computer. Voice, sound waves, and notes present. Apparently I've exceeded quota even though that was my first attempt. That sucks. Does Nim have free video? My volume too low. Is that better? Let's see. Oh, I think we can also use Kling. No. Like click on their website. Video. Please upload start frame. Interesting. Oh no, text to video. Maybe I should have done a start frame. Probably would have resulted in better outcomes. Yo, Doom, what's up? How's Ray's stream? Nice. Okay, let me try debug this. Perplexity agent. Perplexity MCP. Does it save here? No. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna create a file. I wonder if this will work. I've created the file because you're supposedly able to import MCP configs, but oh my god, I called it JDON. Okay. Failed to import expected non-white space. What about now? Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what format they're expecting it in. Wait, is this even the right one? Must be. Did I see Warmwind just launched the first AI operating system? Yes, I think I saw the announcement of their waitlist, so don't get fooled by it. Nice, we got a pull request for the renaming the README. Alright, the Perplexity MCP is loaded. Let's try out something like, wrong one. Use Perplexity to see the price of Bitcoin. Why does it initialize new servers? Tool execution. Okay, that's almost good. Unknown tool. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna have to debug this. Let me... Yeah, no, actually, let's kick this off. It's like... I have an issue. I tried to run a new MCP server, the Perplexity one, but it seemed to create a new tool instead of executing the tool. What happened? There we go. Ooh, got my video. Whoa, Kling does audio now? Okay. I mean, it wasn't really good, but I'm not disappointed because it was text to video and a pretty tough one. I think we're gonna have to do image to video. Scuffed ass audio, yeah. It's like blip blip. What was the issue? Problem is LLM is trying to call a tool named Perplexity Ask, but the actual tool is Perplexity Search Web. Oh, interesting. Did it fix it? Okay, that's a good bug fix. Okay. Let's see, I got Perplexity. I'm going to turn off the file system one and connect the Perplexity one. This stuff should be automatic, but it's okay. Check the price of Bitcoin. Oh, how come the normal thing didn't work? Oh, we have two whisperers running. Quit. Okay. Check price of Bitcoin. It's not doing anything now. Why not? MCP trigger, MCP trigger, handle release. Use Perplexity search to find Bitcoin price. Okay, that looks better. Oh, it still has the other tools. It doesn't turn them off properly. These are nice logs though. Okay, searching for price, unauthorized URL. Oh. That's weird. 401. What's a 401 error? Oh shit, I gotta go soon. Okay, it could be my API key is wrong. That's actually, yeah. Probably need to change my API keys. But, okay, I think we've made some progress. When calling tools, you must use the... Oh, it was the LLM? Okay. I think we might have to use something better than Gemma. For the tool calling. Which we will do. Alright, I'm going to leave this here. I think we got this MCP, Speak MCP, like working 80%. maybe 75, but I'm pretty happy with it. Yo, Keegan, what's up? Is the screen size not responsive? In Wispo? It's not very, I don't think it's that good. But it's good enough for what I'm doing. But yeah. Yeah, I gotta head out. But I'll probably be streaming back later in today, maybe in like 5 hours or so. But yeah, peace out, guys.